Place or arrange things in a straight line, align. To align badly or incorrectly misaligned. Align or position something relative to the point of a compass or other specified position. Orient. Gently stimulating evacuation of the bowels. Apprehend. Get rid by throwing away or giving or selling to someone else. Dispose. To set in contrast, opposition or balance, counterpose. Fix or build something in a certain place or position. Situate. Say, maintain, sustain, perpetuate. Officially attach or connect a subsidiary group or a person to an organization. Affiliate. To recognize the quality, significance, or magnitude of. Appreciate. Allow oneself to be connected with or seen to be supportive of. Associate. Unite in order to achieve a shared aim, make common cause. The region of the atmosphere above which aircraft cannot fly. Aeropause. Above which aircraft. Yes, let's go.